Guys, Beaker Science here with my first video for my new channel, and it'll mainly be a lot of stuff about science experiments and stuff like that. But enough with the introductions, let's get to the experiment. We're going to be doing an experiment with ferrofluid. Got this box in the mail today. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with ferrofluid, neodymium magnet, a dropper, and a petri dish. So don't need the box anymore. So, what you're supposed to do is get the ferrofluid from the bottle, and be very careful with this, it stains clothes. Get the ferrofluid from the bottle, suck it up with the dropper, and then put it in the dish. Maybe that was a little too much. Then you get the magnet, and then you can sort of see how the ferrofluid's moving. But see, that one doesn't seem very cool. So I did some research and I came up with a way cooler way to do this. So let's check this out. For the much cooler version of this experiment than just what came with the package, we're going to need a mason jar, some rubbing alcohol, the ferrofluid, the dropper, and 2 magnets. So, what we're going to do with this is fill half of the mason jar with water. See, it's about halfway filled with water. So then we're going to get the rubbing alcohol and fill the other half of the jar. So that you have to wait a minute for it to decloud. At first you have to make sure they're evenly mixed. So you screw the lid back on and you shake it up. See? As you can see, it's clouded up. So you have to wait a minute for it to be less clouded. Declouded, I can open it up. Then get the ferrofluid bottle with the dropper and put 2 little squirts in there. See, so 2 squirts is about enough. It stains clothes very easily. So what I do when I'm done with the dropper, put it in a little plastic bag, close it up, then put it to the side. So then, once you've inserted the ferrofluid, you put the lid back on, screw it on, seal the ferrofluid, and put it to the side. So you can see one of these magnets is a neodymium magnet. This other one's just a standard magnet. And I have saran wrap around it because when they crash together, this magnet usually chips. So you get the magnet and gather all the ferrofluid. You let it absorb all the ferrofluid at first. So you can see how the little balls of ferrofluid are coming towards it. So after it's got most of the ferrofluid, so you can play with it. You can move it around. And once you kind of figured out how to move it around, see it, and then when it's not magnetic, see, it's just pretty much like a liquid. It doesn't do much. So then get the magnet. See, like it gets really spiky. When you take it farther away, the spikes get bigger. They're all bunched up. Then they get bigger. But it's a lot more fun when you have two magnets. See, look. And you can play with it. And if you're into like all the Spider-Man stuff, this will probably remind you of the symbiote for Venom from all the movies and cartoons and everything that has to do with Spider-Man. So that's what it reminds me of. Let's see, it's a lot of fun to play with. See, when they crash together like that, this magnet usually chips. And if you put two neodymium magnets and they crash together, they are extremely hard to take apart. I have to use a vice grip and a screwdriver, so that could be very difficult. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for checking out my video, and my hands got very dirty and black. So if you do this at home, make sure to watch it and watch where you touch, watch what you touch. And it stains clothes very easily. Don't let it touch your clothes. Wash your hands afterwards. And thank you for watching my video. Thumbs up below and subscribe. Peace.